Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Can't believe I...
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today we are doing our Kiss acrylics at home. So yeah, let's get ready. This is everything that's in the kit. They have some powder, they have the nails, the nail tips I should say. They have the filer. They have like this little sponge brush to wipe off the powder. They have some gel polish. They did not have any glue. I was kind of disappointed, but I'm happy I had some upstairs. So yeah, just grab that as well. It's 99 cents at your local beauty supply store. I am using the clear tips because I'm going for a solid color. So right now I'm just going to size my nails to the nail extension. So continue watching this part and I'll be back in the next clip.
Here we go.
So I got everything sized right there. I was just getting a hangnail. Y'all, I hate those. Like, they're so annoying. But I am not a professional at all. Like, the nails, the glue, it was sticking and then it wasn't sticking. So hold them down for like at least 5 seconds once you glue it. I think I was using too much glue, but it ended up working out. So, and they end up looking fine. But yeah, some of them was like popping off. I had a hard time keeping them on. But yeah, just hold them down for 5 seconds. And then I have this little cooler where you can fan your nails. I got it from the dollar store. It was like $3. And it takes AAA batteries. So I got that. You can see right there, like, I had a hard time keeping that one on. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going to glue these on. I'm only going to glue one hand on camera. I'm going to do the other one off camera because, like, I really struggle with my left hand, y'all. I really struggle, but I'm right-handed, so it makes sense. And those nails were long as heck. Like, I don't understand how people be having their nails that long. Like, I just could not do anything. They was too long for me, sis. Like, too long. But, oh, this is the cooler that I was talking about. So I just kept them under there for a few minutes and then did the other hand. Yeah, so that's how they look. I feel like they fit pretty snug. And now it is time to cut these bad boys down because they was too long. They were too long. So I'm just cutting them now. Cut them longer rather than shorter because you can always file them down. Once you cut them short, you gotta wear some short nails. So I try to cut them kind of long. I was struggling a little bit. This is my first time ever doing it, so we learning together, sis. We learning together. But yeah, so I cut them longer, and then I'm gonna file the top of them, and then I'll file like shape them. I'm going for more of the square look, so I just did regular filing. But this is the activator before you use the gel and dip it in the powder. So I am going to do that and I'll be back. When y'all doing this part, make sure y'all dip them bad boys all the way in there. Like, dip them, wiggle it around a little bit, because you want it to look flat. And I had to do it twice because the first time I didn't dip them in enough at the bottom. So yeah, just dip it in, make sure your whole nail is covered. Yeah, because I don't want y'all to do the same thing I did. So yeah. Invincible. It's time to start filing these mother effers to the gods, sis. Like, create your shape. I like mine a little bit more square looking, so create yours to your liking. We're gonna buff them after we file, and then we're gonna paint them and let them dry. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so every time I post a video, you guys will know. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking here. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.